fresh violence has erupted in Assam's Karbi Anglong region, forcing the state government to suspend internet services as well as not just in Karbi Anglong but also in West Karbi Anglong districts to prevent rumors and further escalation. Now, the root cause of the violence is a long-running dispute which is over land. Local tribal groups are now demanding the eviction of alleged encroachers from protected tribal grazing lands, which are also known as a professional grazing reserve and village grazing reserve areas. They allege that illegal settlers, mostly migrant communities, have now occupied a land which is meant exclusively for tribal use. Tensions, in fact, had been building up for several weeks now. Several organizations were on a 15-day hunger strike demanding eviction. And though the protest was called off after government talks, anger on the ground remained unresolved. The situation then exploded in Kironi when two opposing groups gathered, one pushing for eviction and another one including families whose shops were allegedly burnt in earlier violence. And despite prohibitory orders, the crowds swelled, leading to stone pelting from both the sides. Police had to intervene with lathi charge and tear gas, leaving at least 8 people injured, including police personnel as well as journalists. Now, protesters also set vehicles on fire, further worsening the tensions on the ground. Officials now say that rumors of arrest and eviction drives triggered panic and retaliation, pushing the area into fresh violence. Now, viewers, the situation remains tense with curfew imposed, additional forces deployed and senior ministers on the ground to prevent further unrest.
Last night, then their leader was brought from Guwahati. He had only been taken for a medical checkup because the doctor felt that the people on hunger strike, that health is deteriorating. But somebody spread a misinformation फैलाया गया कि उनको अरेस्ट किया गया है. और जिस टाइप का ये प्रोटेस्ट था, इतने लोग इकट्ठे हुए, फिर भी कल से हम लोग रिस्ट्रेंट पे थे. आज भी हम रिस्ट्रेंट रहे. कल उन्होंने ब्रिज टेक ओवर कर लिया था, फिर बातचीत करके कल ब्रिज खाली करवाया. फिर मिनिस्टर रनोज पेगू साहब आए, सब कुछ हुआ. उन्होंने फिर ब्रिज टेक ओवर करने की कोशिश की. फिर हम लोग ने दोपहर में जब पीछे किया तो शाम को दे अटैक्ड. इट वाज अ प्रॉपर अटैक फ्रॉम बोथ साइड्स, फ्रॉम जनखा साइड एंड फ्रॉम दिस साइड जिधर आप देख रहे हैं डेली मार्केट में आग लगी हुई है.